Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Max Turbo Gold Power Saver. This remarkable device helps optimize your energy consumption, significantly reducing your monthly utility bills and promoting environmental sustainability. It works by stabilizing your home's electrical current, ensuring appliances operate with maximum efficiency, making every watt count toward your savings goal. First, find a conveniently located electrical outlet, ideally one central to your home's main power usage. Simply plug the Max Turbo Gold Power Saver directly into this wall socket, ensuring it sits firmly in place. Observe for a soft, green indicator light, which confirms the unit is powered on and ready to begin its optimization process immediately. To activate its primary function, press the mode button just one time. This initiates the standard power saving program. If you are operating many high-demand appliances, press the button twice consecutively to engage the turbo mode. The clear display screen will then show either Eco for typical usage or Turbo for enhanced energy optimization, confirming your selection. The Max Turbo Gold Power Saver includes a convenient, built-in monitor to track your real-time energy consumption and current savings. You can easily check the device's digital display at any moment to observe live data readings. Most users report noticeable reductions in their electricity usage, often within just 3 to 5 days of continuous active operation, which is quite impressive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.